Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can download and install Instagram app. So without further ado, let's start. To begin, go to your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram. And now right here you can see the Instagram app. Just tap on install. And so you want to make sure that you have a good internet connection and enough storage so you can download and install Instagram app smoothly. Next, just tap on open. You can now start setting up your Instagram account. You can choose to log in to your old account or to create a new account on Instagram. So for example, for me, I want to log into my old account. So what I'm going to do is just to enter my email and password. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.